Agricultural robots. Agricultural robots, revolutionizing farming in the 21st century. Introduction. Agricultural robots, also known as Agri-Bots or Agri-Robots, are autonomous or semi-autonomous machines designed to assist in various farming tasks. These advanced robots are transforming the agricultural landscape, offering increased efficiency, precision, and sustainability to the industry. With the global population rising and the need to produce more food while preserving natural resources, agricultural robots play a vital role in modernizing farming practices. Types of agricultural robots. 1. Harvesting robots. Harvesting crops has traditionally been a labor-intensive process. Harvesting robots are equipped with computer vision and robotic arms, enabling them to identify and pick ripe fruits or vegetables with precision and care. These robots can work tirelessly, enhancing productivity and reducing the dependency on human labor during peak harvesting seasons. 2. Weeding robots. Weeds compete with crops for nutrients and water, affecting their growth. Weeding robots use various techniques like mechanical weed removal or precision spraying of herbicides to selectively eliminate weeds without harming the crops. This method reduces the need for excessive chemical use, making it more eco-friendly. 3. Planting robots. Planting large areas manually can be time-consuming and physically demanding. Planting robots can automate the process by accurately placing seeds or seedlings in the soil at optimal depths and distances. They ensure even spacing and consistent planting, resulting in better crop yields. 4. Autonomous tractors. These self-driving tractors are equipped with GPS and other sensors, allowing them to navigate fields and perform tasks like plowing, tilling, and cultivating without human intervention. Autonomous tractors optimize fuel consumption and reduce compaction in the soil, leading to more sustainable agriculture. 5. Monitoring and sensing robots. These robots are equipped with various sensors such as cameras, infrared, and multispectral scanners to monitor crop health and growth. They can detect early signs of diseases, nutrient deficiencies, and pests, enabling timely intervention and targeted treatments. Benefits of agricultural robots. 1. Increased efficiency. Agricultural robots can work 24/7 without breaks or fatigue, ensuring timely and efficient completion of tasks. They significantly reduce the time required for various farming operations, leading to higher productivity. 2. Labor savings. As agricultural robots take over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, they reduce the need for human labor. This is particularly beneficial in regions facing labor shortages or during peak agricultural seasons when workforce availability is limited. 3. Precision farming. Agri-Bots enable precise and targeted application of resources like water, fertilizers, and pesticides. By using resources more efficiently, farmers can reduce costs and minimize environmental impact. 4. Environmental sustainability. By promoting precision farming and reducing the use of chemicals, agricultural robots contribute to sustainable agriculture practices. They help preserve soil health, decrease water wastage, and minimize the ecological footprint of farming. 5. Data-driven insights. Monitoring and sensing robots collect vast amounts of data about crops and their surroundings. Farmers can use this data to make informed decisions, optimize their operations, and adapt their practices to changing conditions. Challenges and future outlook. Despite the numerous benefits, there are challenges to adopting agricultural robots, including high initial costs, compatibility with existing farm equipment, and the need for skilled operators. However, as technology advances and adoption increases, the costs are likely to decrease. The future of agricultural robots looks promising. Advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technologies will make these robots even smarter and more capable. Additionally, increased integration with data analytics and autonomous systems will further enhance their potential to revolutionize farming. Conclusion. Agricultural robots represent a game-changing advancement in modern agriculture. They offer a sustainable and efficient way to meet the growing demand for food while reducing reliance on manual labor and minimizing environmental impact. As farmers and researchers continue to embrace and improve this technology, agricultural robots will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of farming and global food production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest technology trends and innovations. Thank